Hi friends. I was very intrigued by this topic that Sulabh discussed with us, which is like how do we share our lives currently in lockdown with all of you, and to give you insights in terms of what are we doing in terms of coping up with our work and how we put some of the cool tech gadgets that we have to use to increase our productivity and work lifestyle. So I'd like to share with you, how am I managing my work in the lockdown period, and what are we doing, and what else could you do during the lockdown period to both enhance your productivity at the same time, also like have some great fun with the gadgets around us. So let's start with work first. So you can see, here I've got my entire setup. This is what I do. So for my regular work, I use my ZenBook, and then I have a very nice monitor out here of Asus again. Okay, so my ZenBook is obviously very sleek, and it has all the high-end specs with i7 processor, etc. Very nice UHD display, which is anti-glare and very good color gamut. And then here again, I've got a very good large 21-inch monitor, which is full HD. It's got 3D vision. It's got 144 Hz refresh rate. And what I do is I work in a dashboard approach. So you can see here I've got my WhatsApp, Line, my task list, our internal communicator, Microsoft Teams open, where we actually talk to each other nowadays. And this way I keep a quick tab of what's happening around, and whichever team member is trying to connect to me, and I can respond extremely fast. And also if I want to do some work where I want to open, let's say, a presentation here and work on Excel on the larger screen, I can actually use those dual displays for much better productivity and much faster work. Now coming to communication on the work, I use this headset of mine, which is the Bose QC35. Now the advantage of this headset is that A, it's got noise cancellation, B, it can connect simultaneously to my ROG phone and the Bluetooth on the laptop. So whenever I'm actually talking, I can get phone calls as well as I can get any calls on any of the messenger apps directly on this headset. So that's a really cool feature about this, plus the battery time is really good. So I actually use this because it's kind of very convenient. Plus at any point of time, if I feel like getting up from the chair or walking around, I can do that. I can listen to some cool music anytime that I want. So this is my companion, very good for work purpose. Coming to like the weekends, when I'm sometimes working, because as you can see, the convenience of staying at home is like you can start work at any point of time, and we can't go anywhere during lockdown. So I make the best use of my time to complete as much work as possible, and then do some other stuff like reading, etc. So while working on the weekend, especially when I don't get any phone calls, etc. from people, I actually also turn on music on this awesome portable device from Bose again, which is the Bose Revolve Link, and I listen to some cool music and work simultaneously because that's very soothing on the weekend. That's what I find. So this is about my work life, and now let's move on to what else I do. Of course, on the weekend or even when I get really bored of work and I want to kind of take a break, I love gaming. I love gaming on both the ROG phone, which is the ultimate weapon that you guys are aware of, and I use some cool devices with that too. So like for example, when I want to use the ROG phone, I actually have this awesome headset for gaming. Okay, you can see here. This is the ROG Cetra. We are in fact planning to launch this in India. This is a really cool headset, okay, with a USB Type-C pin out here, which actually goes onto the side port of the ROG phone directly. And these headsets, this headset actually lights up out here with the ROG logo. It looks extremely cool, and it has got a DAC support. So the kind of audio which you get on this particular headset while gaming is just phenomenal. It's just out of the world. And it has noise cancellation as well. So even though this is a headset, it has noise cancellation as well. So this is an amazing product that they use with the ROG phone. Another cool device that I want to show you guys, that it's another gaming arena that I get into, and it's again an ultimate weapon for that particular gaming arena, is the ROG Zephyrus laptop. So I actually have this cool ROG Zephyrus laptop with me out here, as you can see again. And with this ROG Zephyrus laptop, I've got some amazing gaming capabilities again. So basically what I have out here is an RTX 2080 GPU with i7 HK processor. So it's like super cool. Plus this also has got a 144 Hz display which is also color calibrated. So you get some really amazing gaming experience on this product. So whether it be the ROG phone, on which by the way this video is being shot, or it be the ROG laptop, both these devices are like ultimate gaming devices. And gaming in this period is really recreational. It actually helps you to connect with your friends. And we are also promoting actually social gaming, multiplayer gaming. So what we are doing is both on the laptop side as well as on the smartphone side, we've actually launched these amazing gaming engagements for our customers. So on the laptop side, we've launched a multiplayer gaming tournament called ROG Showdown, which is ongoing right from beginning of April and it'll go on till end of April, where anybody can go and participate online in ROG Showdown and win great prizes. At the same time, especially for our ROG phone customers, we have actually launched this exclusive tournament called Battle of Gods, which will happen every Friday, and only ROG phone users who have the ROG phone and are part of the ROG phone community can actually go and participate in that, play PUBG online in that particular tournament, and win amazing prizes, amazing cash prizes, which go in a total pool of about 6,60,000 rupees. Okay, and you can actually win at least 55,000 in total pool. I mean, like, all our consumers can totally win about 55,000 every weekend. So that's another amazing activity that we've launched for all our customers to kind of get together in the community online right now, game together and have fun together. So that's about it. Thank you very much. Thanks Sulabh for giving me this opportunity. Really appreciate it. Bye.